Okay, this is 570 Labanna Court in brick. It's going to be up for rent for $1,800 a month. It's 2-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom. We're going to take a walk inside. This is Todd behind me. He's my partner in the real estate stuff. This is the living room. Doesn't come with the fish tank. Laminate floors. If at any point you want to stop and scroll through the pictures, you can. This is the kitchen. Granite counters, stainless steel appliances, nice island, nice floors. I'm going to head to the bathroom. This is the half bathroom. On the first floor. Lots of cabinets in the kitchen. I'm gonna head out back since it's kind of next. This is the back deck. Has an awning with a fan, which is pretty cool. And you're right next to the pool. So that's good for the summer. Gonna head back in. Here's the pantry closet. Upstairs. Here's a fluffy cat. And the master bedroom with 2 closets. Ceiling fan, crown molding. It's really nice. It's a big room. Second bedroom is probably even bigger. 2 closets in this one also. And we're going to go into the bathroom that was just renovated. Tile, all the good stuff. Lots of cabinets. And last we'll head down into the basement. So this is like a second living room, man cave type room. The HVAC and laundry is in this half. And that's pretty much it. Do you know if the fridge is staying?
I do not know.
Don't know. We'll find out if the fridge is staying. If you're interested in this place, our contact info will be linked in the video below. Thanks for watching.